Imagine having an extra $400,000 by the time you retire. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. The secret lies in compound interest, a powerful force that can either make you rich or leave you struggling to catch up. The difference between starting to invest at 22 versus 32 can be staggering, and it's essential to understand why. The concept of compound interest is straightforward. It's the interest earned on both the principal amount and any accrued interest over time. However, its impact is often misunderstood, leading many to delay their investment journey, resulting in significant financial losses. The problem is that many of us are not taking advantage of compound interest early enough. We often think that retirement is far away, and we can start investing later. But the truth is, every year you delay, you're missing out on thousands of dollars in potential earnings. The rule of 72 is a simple way to understand the power of compound interest. It states that to find the number of years it takes for your investment to double, you divide 72 by the annual interest rate. For example, if you earn an 8% annual return, your investment will double in 9 years. So, what's the solution? Start investing as early as possible. Even small, consistent investments can add up over time, thanks to compound interest. Let's look at an example to illustrate this. Suppose two friends, Alex and Ben, want to retire with $1 million. Alex starts investing $500 per month at age 22, while Ben waits until age 32. Assuming an 8% annual return, Alex will have contributed around $180,000 by the time they're 65, but thanks to compound interest, their total will be over $1.1 million. Ben, on the other hand, will have contributed around $180,000 as well, but their total will be just over $700,000. That's a difference of $400,000, simply because Alex started 10 years earlier. Let's break it down further. If you start investing $500 per month at 22, with an 8% annual return, you can expect to have around $1.1 million by the time you're 65. If you start at 25, you'll have around $900,000. At 30, it's $650,000, and at 35, it's around $450,000. As you can see, every year counts, and the sooner you start, the better. Now that you understand the power of compound interest, it's time to take action. First, assess your financial situation and determine how much you can afford to invest each month. Consider consulting a financial advisor or using online resources to find the best investment options for your goals and risk tolerance. Start with small, achievable steps, and gradually increase your investments over time. Remember